Hello everyone. We have already seen that the earth is made up of three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The earth is also separated into layers based on physical behavior or the way layers move. On this basis, it is divided into three: lithosphere, asthenosphere, and mesosphere. The topmost layer of the earth is called lithosphere. In the previous chapter, our environment, we have learnt about the lithosphere. It is the outermost solid surface layer of the earth, also known as crust. So, the lithosphere consists of crust and the outer part of the upper mantle. It is rigid and brittle. That means it is hard and can be broken down. The next layer is asthenosphere. The lithosphere floats on the top of a semi-liquid layer known as asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is ductile. That means it is capable of being bent. The lower mantle is mesosphere. Mesosphere is rigid. Now let us move to the next topic, rocks. The lithosphere, or the outermost layer of the earth, is made of solid material. These solid material are known as rocks. Rocks are mainly of the following three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are further divided into extrusive rocks and intrusive rocks. Rocks are solid substances formed by one or more minerals which naturally occur on the Earth's surface. Examples of rocks that are found on Earth's surface are sandstone, gypsum, dolomite, marble, and limestone. Most rocks forming minerals are silicate. Rocks vary in their mineral content, color, size, and texture. Igneous rocks are. The word igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. The hot lava that flows out during volcanic eruptions cools down and becomes solid over a period of time and forms igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are further divided into two: extrusive rocks and intrusive rocks. Igneous rocks are also called primary rocks. Primary rocks that are formed on the surface of the earth are called extrusive rocks. Basalt is an example of extrusive rocks. They have fine grained structure. Another one is intrusive rocks. During the volcanic eruptions, the magma gets trapped in veins deep inside the earth. This magma cools down over a long period of time and forms rocks known as intrusive rocks. Another type of rock is metamorphic rock. The word metamorphic is derived from the Greek word meta, which means change, and morph means form. Here, the parent rock undergoes a chemical change. Under the intense heat and pressure, existing rocks metamorphose into new kinds of rocks called metamorphic rocks. Metamorphose means to change completely. Metamorphic rocks may be further metamorphosed under heat and pressure for even longer period of time. Examples of metamorphic rocks are changing of clay into slate, limestone into marble, coal into diamond. Gneiss and quartzites are also well. Sedimentary rocks. First of all, let us understand the meaning of the following three terms: sediments, gradation, and weathering. Sediments. Sediment is a solid material that is moved and deposited in a new location. Sediment consists of rocks and minerals as well as the remains of plants and animals. Gradation. Gradation is the continuous process of leveling of the Earth's surface. Weathering. Weathering is the breaking up or disintegration or fragmentation of rock material exposed to agents of gradation like wind, water, air, ice, etc. Now let us see how sedimentary rocks are formed over a period of several years. Sediments are carried by agents of gradation like water, ice, wind, and sea. The sediments are deposited in layers over the earth. As the deposition of sediments builds up, the pressure is exerted by the upper layer squeezes the sediments into layered rocks. These layered rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Thus, sedimentary rocks are formed by the hardening and cementing of layer of sediments. Sedimentary rocks consist of clearly demarcated sediments. The organic matter trapped between the sedimentary layers get converted to fossil fuels like petroleum and natural gas. Examples of sedimentary rocks are shale, sandstone, and conglomerates.